Alright, check this out guys. So we are out here in Mount Rainier National Park right now, and we're going to bring you guys with us. We're going to a few points of interest. We're going to go on a hike at Silver Falls. We'll show you what that's like. We have a separate video for that, and you can check in the description below where I'll put a link to that video. Join us as we drive through Mount Rainier National Park. We're going to show you Narada Falls. We're going to show you the Ricksecker viewpoint, among other great viewpoints along the drive. Don't forget to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. All right, let's go. What's up folks? We are out here in the Mount Rainier National Park today, all the way in Washington State. We're about 2.5 hours from Seattle and 2.5 hours north of Portland. We're gonna check out the national park and check out some of the trails and viewpoints. We're gonna take you with us and we'll see what it's like. Let's go. So we're heading on our first hike right now, and this hike will be to the Silver Falls. It's about a 3-mile hike. That's about 5.5 kilometers roughly. We're gonna start the hike right now through trees, different types of terrain, and get to the falls. Let's go check it out. Entered the national park through the Ohanapecosh entrance, which is close to where Silver Creek Falls is. The views and the scenery is beautiful so far. Nice trees, a lot of vegetation. Definitely something you might want to do in the future. Hit up a national park, maybe Mount Rainier, maybe Mount St. Helens, and do a hike. Let's get it. So we just made it to Laughing Water Creek at this little bridge here. We've been walking for about 50 minutes hiking. We're now at the side of a ravine here. Check that out. Don't want to fall off here. blueberries in the forest here, guys. Check it out. It's literally dead quiet where we are right now. That's crazy. Stay with us, folks, and we will see you at the end of this trail. Check out this majestic view of Mount Rainier here, guys. This is one of the viewpoints along the way. Just check it out. Some amazing views along this roadway. And you could see the road cut into the mountain down here. We're heading to Reflection Lake, and we got this majestic view of Mount Rainier. Beautiful. Alright peeps, we just got to Reflection Lake right here. We're just at the lake viewpoint right now. You can see Mount Rainier in the distance and the lake just below it. Alright peeps, so we're still on our Mount Rainier excursion here, and we just got to the visitor center here at Paradise, which is a different section from where we started out, and we are heading towards Rick Secker Point. But as you can see, you have a clear view of Mount Rainier from here as well. Pretty impressive views. We just stopped to grab some snacks and stuff, and then we'll be on our way. Let's go. Alright peeps, so we just made it to Narada Falls. We're gonna check it out right now. So we just stopped at Restless Glacier here. So usually in the winter it would be iced over, but as you can see, it's basically all melted right now. And you can also get a view off Mount Rainier. It's just behind the trees there. This is such a good park to come and spend a day, couple days, do some camping. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for our video here at Mount Rainier National Park. There was so much to do here guys. We really did enjoy our time here. We stopped at quite a few viewpoints, including the Ricksecker viewpoint, and we stopped at Paradise Visitors Lodge, among other great spots on this excursion. We do recommend it. Definitely come and check it out for a day trip, or if you like camping. It is actually supposed to be $30 to get into the park, but the reservations for timed entry into the park is canceled as of September 2, so they only do that up until September, and today is September 6th, so we didn't really need to make a reservation to get in here. You have to go on the NPS website, so the National Park Service, and check that out to make sure you don't need a timed entry to get in here. It was a great experience. We definitely recommend coming to Mount Rainier and checking it out. The alpine views, the mountains, the rivers, the waterfalls, great experience. We did a hike at Silver Falls as well, which was a great hike. Took us about 2.5 hours to do it. If you like this type of content guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll have a video off the hike we did at Silver Falls, and you can check that out. I'll put the link down below in the description. See you in the next one guys. Thank you for watching as usual. We do appreciate you watching. Take care. Peace out.